How do you upload the images or open the camera software in the app? Go in right or left eye, click on the image symbol under Post-Dilated Fundus Image. Then you have the option to acquire images using the app's camera software or to upload images from your smartphone gallery. After uploading the images, you, as the medical assistant, also need to evaluate them. Also, if you have seen an abnormal disc, any other non-diabetic retinopathy-related pathologies, or if you were not able to grade an image, you can enter this information here. If required, you can also use the comment section. Next, grade diabetic retinopathy and maculopathy. I will explain how to do this in the later part of this video tutorial. Click Save in the lower right corner to make sure the data is secured.